Within minutes of crossing the border, Sam spots a familiar predator. But it's not one of the lions. It's a lone hyena mother and a young cub Sam's seen before. She's named the cub Kadiki, local dialect for little thing.
When they're tiny cubs, they are so cute, with dark fur and just these tiny little faces with big ears. They really are something.
The black fur indicates the cub's about 2 months old. Young hyena cubs only come out of their den when their mothers are present, so this is a rare treat for Sam.
You see, it's a greedy little baby. He just keeps pushing up on mom's belly, trying to get more milk.
Kadiki won't be weaned for another year or two. Soon her mother will take her to a communal den where she'll live with other cubs and babysitters. But for now, she's alone in the den she was born in and completely dependent on her mother.
Unlike lions, where they have group suckling and the females help each other look after the cubs, all the responsibility relies on this female. So when we see these hyenas trying to scavenge from the leopards and the lions, it's nice to just remind yourself that there's a reason that they're doing it. Obviously, they have to stay alive and they have to feed the cubs back at the den.
Suckling is a huge demand on the mother's energy. To keep Kadiki fed, she's got to keep herself fed too. Every feeding trip she takes leaves the cub alone and vulnerable.
We started hearing some alarm calling. It started with monkeys, and now we can hear the baboons alarm calling too. And often they're really good indicators that there's a predator nearby.
Right on cue, a leopard appears. Barely 100 yards from the den. Luckily, for the little hyena cub, this skilled hunter is heading in the opposite direction.